How to delete Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Instagram account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Instagram app on your device. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line menu icon at top right corner to access settings and activities section. Tap account center at top of the screen. Now select Personal details under account settings, and then you will get the option of account ownership. Select that, tap deactivation or deletion option, and tap your Instagram account. Select delete button and tap continue. Give the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account and tap continue button. Enter the password for a security purpose and tap the continue button. Once done, you will successfully delete your Instagram account if you do not reopen or log into your Instagram account for the 30 days. So that's how we delete Instagram account permanently. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.